I'm going to start by doing a slip knot, insert from here, and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch in the first chain to close my circle, and then chain 3. This 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Then inside the circle I need to work 15 double crochet. So I'm going to yarn over, insert inside, pull. I have 3 loops, the first 2, the remaining 2. Again, yarn over, insert inside, pull. The first 2 loops and the remaining 2. Again, this is a double crochet. One more. Now I have worked 5 double crochet. I need another 10 double crochet. So finish them and come again. I have worked all my double crochet. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. Chain 1 and pull. And this is my first row. Now insert the new color at any. Pull this so that you close the circle tightly. Now insert at the top of any of the double crochet that we worked before. And then I'm going to chain what? 3. 1, 2, and 3. This represents 1 double crochet. And then chain another 2, which is the space. Now at the top of each of the previous double crochet, I'm going to work 1 double crochet. And then chain 2. 1, 2. Again, 1 double crochet. Chain 2. 1 double crochet and chain 2. And this is my pattern. At the top of each of the previous double crochet, you're going to work 1 double crochet, and in between them 2 chains. So finish and come again. I'm done, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1 and cut. Now at any of the chain, so I've worked around this yarn, so I'm going to cut. And this is also secured, so cut. While you're working along, secure the yarn. Work around the yarn. Now at any of the chain 2, I'm going to insert my color. And I'm going to start by working on my corner. So let's start by doing what? 3 chain. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm going to work another double crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2, and then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, chain 1. Another in the next chain space. I'm going to work what? I'm going to work a single crochet. Chain 1, another single crochet in the next. Chain 1, another single crochet, and then chain 1. Now in the next space, another corner. 1, 2, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then another 2 double crochet. And again, you're going to repeat 3 times. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, a single crochet, which is only insert. I have 2 loops through both, 2 loop, chain 1, and a single crochet. So you're going to repeat this pattern another 2 times and come again. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the third chain from the hook, another slip stitch in the next double crochet, another slip stitch. So slip stitch twice until you reach this space. You're going to chain 3 to start my next row. In the same space, you're going to work another 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, and then chain 2, 1, 2, another 3 double crochet, and this is my corner. I'm going to chain 1, and in the next chain 1 I'm going to work what? Half double crochet. So chain 1, yarn over, insert inside, have 3 loop, yarn through all 3 loop, chain 1, insert inside all, yarn through all through loop, chain 1, and this is my half double crochet. And that's where you're going to repeat for 3 times, working the corner a 3 double, 2 chain 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and work here half double crochet. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and cut. So as you can see, the color combination, I'm using a milky or white, whatever you can call it, and then light yellow, light blue, and then now a darker darker shade of a blue. I'm going to insert in the corner, at any of the corner, to start my row, and I'm going to start as used to. Whenever I have to start a row, depending on the stitch, since I'm starting double crochet, so I need to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now in the same spot another 2 double crochet, chain 2, another 3 double crochet in the same spot, 1, 2 and 3. Now in the next space I'm going to work a 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, again in the next space 3 double crochet. So each in the previous chain 1 you're going to work what? 3 double crochet. So this is my 3rd, chain 1, another 3 double crochet, chain 1. After you finish the 3 double crochet, you're going to work directly in the next without chaining 1, another 3 double crochet. In the next again 3 double crochet. So at each of the previous chain 1 space you're going to work a 3 double crochet without chaining 1 between them. So this is another one, as you can see, the last one 3 double crochet without chaining between them. Now you're going to repeat this pattern another 3 times, more 3 times, and then come again for the last row. I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and cut. Now adding the color at any of the corner, a new color, another different darker shade of a blue. I'm going to what? Yarn over, chain 1, and in this corner I'm going to work what? 4 single crochets. So I'm yarn over, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then at each of the previous double crochet I'm going to work what? One single crochet. So one, in all of them a single crochet. So continue working a single crochet in all of the double crochet, and in the corner 4 single crochets. So I'm going to do a slip stitch in the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut, and then I'm going to fasten off to secure my yarn using a needle and working on the outer loop. All the yarn from each of the previous colors I secure it while I'm working, right? So I only cut it, but for the last yarn I'm going to insert at the back loop of the stitches to secure it, and then just cut and you're done. And this is my square for today. I hope you like my video, and subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.